Receiving the news of a cancer diagnosis is an incredibly difficult thing to experience, not to mention the challenge of planning for and enduring what can often be an exhausting and challenging treatment process. This is true not only for patients, but also for friends, family, and caregivers. Mental health is often a forgotten component of cancer care, and one that can provide exceptional benefit to everyone involved when steps are taken to intentionally improve one's mental well-being. Let's first begin with a discussion of things that you can do to help manage the psychological burden of cancer treatment. First, it is important to have a group or individual that you trust that you can feel comfortable sharing your thoughts with. Some people might prefer to seek the help of a professional, counselor, or therapist. Many can also find the support through their faith and membership in a church. Just being able to share your feelings with someone who cares about you and wants to help you can be tremendously uplifting. If it is questions or concerns about your treatment that are serving as a source of anxiety, do not hesitate to seek out your care team for an explanation. We will always be happy to help you better understand all aspects of your treatment. Rest and exercise can also be valuable in maximizing mental well-being. Ensure that you are getting plenty of sleep each night, and don't be afraid to get some light exercise, like a short walk, just to see if it helps you feel better. Many people find that just being outside in nature can be relaxing, so you might find that going somewhere you find enjoyable or calming for this can make it even more helpful. It's also important not to lose sight of the hobbies or interests that make you who you are. As much as you are able, strive to stay active doing the things that you love. If you find that you are still overburdened with stress, anxiety, or depression after trying many of these strategies, have a discussion with your doctor about what medications could be a good option for helping you in these areas. This brings us to one very important thing that you should not do while coping with your cancer treatment. It is critical that all cancer patients and caregivers understand that you should never be embarrassed to ask for or use medication or the services of a healthcare professional to better your mental health. Stigma surrounding these issues, while improving, is still at a disappointingly high level due to misinformation and plain ignorance. It should never be the case that a person fighting cancer or their loved ones has to suffer in silence from a mental health condition. Rest assured knowing that your care team stands ready to support you in pursuing the appropriate care for your mental health needs.